Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Aero Models Club. Well, on my speed test trial with the Avanti version 280mm, on my first flight earlier, I got up to 124 mile an hour. I'm going to try something. I'm going to see if I can't increase that speed. All right, not that I'm a speed freak, but right now I am. I got the FREEWING afterburner in there, and can actually see some lights now. I have a 7-channel Limit RX Gen 2 receiver, but no stabilization of any type. Just a plain Jane receiver. All right, 5000 HRB. I think it's got a 50C. All right. Take her up.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
And that's why you put battery straps in. I do love sport jets. All right. Try to slow my roll a little bit. There's my gear. Let's see if we can't land this beast. Get out here just this side of the power lines, not the other side of the power lines. This side of the power lines. Because I tell you what, you hit them power lines, it does bad things for your day. It really does. All right, remember, brake slowly. Brake slowly with the Avanti. This Avanti's brakes, if you hit the brakes hard, she's going to nose in on you. You want to hit your brakes a lot more gradual. All right. Still obey the rules. I'm not going to take off with the wind. I'm going to take off into the wind. Luckily, I do have a nice east wind, which is right down the runway. Do not need any kind of flaps for takeoff right now. All right, let's take off again. Here we go. And let's take her up and flip her. All right, power's out. Goose it. Well, she will turn on a dime. And I'm in my mid rates. All right. Now when I'm flying this high speed, I'm only going to do two takeoffs and landings, because I know I have beat the living dog mess out of that battery now. But real quick, let me just show you how slow and stable the Avanti can actually be. You saw how fast she can go. But look at that, all the gear down. I mean, come on, come on. That's unreal. Unreal. But the Avanti is just an incredible design of aircraft anyways. Just an incredible design. All right, level my wings, line up my center line, center line, center line, slight flare. There you go. Now see, I actually a little more gradual with the braking than normal, but if you hit it too hard, she'll actually nose in, and I've actually touched the nose even though the gear was down. So that's how hard that braking will work. All right, let's get turned around. I know I got a minute left, but
Motor.
I am not going to push that battery because I just ask an awful lot of it. All right, so let's stop the GPS and see what kind of speed we got. I'm thinking I beat 124 mile an hour. Has to think about it. Come on. Come on. All right, I beat it. 126 mile an hour, and I went 666 feet was my highest, so that's not a good number. But 666 was my highest, and 126 mile per hour. And I'm sure if I would have had maybe a 4,000 in there, which I don't really like a 4,000, but I'd have to maybe 2 minutes. I could have got maybe a little bit faster, but 126, that is very decent. All right, well folks, there you go. Let's check the battery and see what kind of juice. And by the way, that little black antenna, I did that as a zip tie. That way you can push the latch and you don't have to dig at the hatch with your fingernails. That's what I did that for. Little hatch mod. All right. %. So yeah, I definitely don't want to go up again. I definitely killed that battery. Now that's a 5000 6S with a 50C, very warm. Now I need to get myself a 5000 SMC racing battery, the LIHV battery, and I'll bet you I can get that up over 130, maybe 140 mile an hour with one of them. All right, folks, well, thank you for watching. That was the Avanti speed test, 126 mile an hour on a regular LiPo. Not bad. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then jets. Bye-bye.